You all know that our body is a remarkable biological machine with many systems working together to allow for life, movement, cognitive function, growth, repair, reproduction, and much more. These systems include the central nervous system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, the immune system, the reproductive system, the skeletal structure, and musculature. The human body is made up of head, neck, torso, two arms, and two legs. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK class. Bache, today we are going to talk about human body. It's page number 18 of your book. Let's start. Today we are going to talk about the few body parts. As you all know that human body consists of various organs which perform variety of functions. We are going to read these clues, and by unscrambling the jumbled words we are going to write the names of different parts of body. Students, before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to identify and name the various organs of body of human body which performs various functions, and you will be able to enlist various diseases and infections which affect human body. You will be able to know many things about the human body. The first one is the optic nerve. The optic nerve, also known as cranial nerve 2, is a paired cranial nerve that transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. The second one, the auditory system, is the sensory system for the sense of hearing. It includes both sensory organs and the auditory part of sensory system. The auditory nerve moves signals to the brain where they then translated into recognizable and meaningful sounds. The third one is olfactory. Olfactory or sense of smell is the sensory system used for smelling. Most mammals and reptiles have a main olfactory system. It gives information to brain about the chemical composition of objects. The fourth one is taste buds or sense of taste is the sensory system that is responsible for arousing different types of taste. Taste is produced or stimulated when a substance is added to mouth. Humans have taste receptors on taste buds and other areas including the upper surface of tongue. Then the fifth one is diaphragm. Diaphragm acts as the floor for the base of lungs. When breathing in, the diaphragm pulls down so that the size of the lungs increases, allowing air to enter the lungs. When breathing out, the diaphragm rests and goes up, making a dome shape, decreasing the size of the lungs and pushing air out. Next one, the sixth one is enamel. What is an enamel? An enamel is a smooth and glossy covering. It is the harder white substance which covers the tooth. Then, seventh one, spleen. Spleen is an organ near the stomach that produces and cleans the body's blood. In other words, the organ which is located on the left side of abdomen and manufacture antibodies. Next one, eighth one is femur. Femur is the longest bone in the skeleton system. A bone in human leg extending from the pelvis to the knee, that is the longest, largest and the strongest bone in the body, that is thigh bone. Then ninth one is cardiac. Cardiac muscles is a type of muscle that is found in heart. Cardiac muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. These muscles have the special property of automatic rhythmic contractions. The 10th one is platelets. Platelets are small round cell fragments found in the blood of mammals that function in the clotting of blood. Platelets make the blood thicker. Kids, let's do page number 19. It is related to few diseases and infections. The first one is dehydration. Dehydration is the loss or removal of water for something, or in other words, it is a harmful reduction in the amount of water in the body. Dehydration occurs when our body does not have enough water and other fluids to carry out its normal function. The second one is cancer. Cancer is the condition marked by abnormal growth of cells. It is a serious disease that is caused when cells in the body grows in a way that is uncontrollable and not normal, killing normal cells and often cause death. The third one is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a rare blood disease in which the body lacks a chemical that stops the flow of blood when a blood vessel is injured. In other words, hemophilia is the disorder of blood with deficiency in clotting mechanism. The fourth one is eczema. Eczema is a skin condition in which areas of the skin become red, rough and sore and make you want to rub them again and again. Itching persists. In other words, it is the inflammation of skin due to an allergy to some food, drug, or chemical used. The fifth one is influenza. Influenza is the respiratory illness that is caused by virus which attack on your nose, throat, and lungs. Influenza is commonly called the flu. Sixth one is cataract. Cataract is a medical condition in which the lens of the eye become progressively opaque, resulting in blurred image. It is the condition where there is partial or complete opacity of eye lens. Seventh one is arthritis. Arthritis, you all know, is an inflammation of a joint or joints. Maybe one joint or maybe many joints, or it is the inflammation of one or more joint causing pain and stiffness that can worsen with age. The eighth one is cold. You all know cold is a highly infectious disease which results in bad throat, headache, and watery nose, and it is a communicable disease which can spread from one person to another easily. Ninth one is filariasis infection. It is caused by filarial worms in the blood and lymph channel, lymph glands, and other tissues. It can cause swelling in different parts of the organs. Then the 10th one is edema. Edema is an abnormal accumulation of fluids in cell, tissues, or cavities of the body, resulting in swelling. I told you kids, by the end of this video you'll be able to identify and name various organs of the body, and then you will be able to know many things about diseases and infections. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to find out which part of the body is called core. Which part of the body is called core. Thank you and have a cheerful day.